At driveJohnson's, we offer a 2-hour introduction lesson.
Yep.
And a 2-hour assessment lesson. Both are priced the same.
Yep.
But for the learners out there that are thinking about starting up with us, can you help us or help the learner out there decide which lesson would be most suited to them? An introduction, 2-hour introduction, or a 2-hour assessment, and why?
So both of those sessions are very different from each other, okay? So, and they're aimed at different clientele as well. So I would say that the introduction one would be best for you if you've only had a very small handful of driving lessons, probably in the past, and that you're not currently up to speed or been in a car for a while, or completely new to the game altogether. So on your introduction lesson, we're going to go to the right sort of areas where nothing's going to overwhelm you too much. We're going to talk a lot more about the actual control of the car, what does what, and how the car actually works before we're actually getting the car to do its job on the road. So I would say your introductory lesson is much more based around you being, let's call you a newbie to driving.
Yeah.
Whereas the assessment lesson, let's say you fall out with your driving instructor. You don't feel like you're progressing very well.
Failed the test.
Yeah, you failed a driving test.
Driven 2 years ago, but done 20, 30, 40 hours.
Yeah, exactly that. Or been on the road with mum and dad and not used a driving instructor yet. Those sort of things. I would say the assessment lesson is going to be a little bit more of the first hour of me and you getting to know each other, seeing how an instructor and how this current instructor is working, how they give their instructions, get a little feel for each other. And then for the second hour, it's going to be a little bit more stepped up. Your instructor should have felt that he can see where you're going to be progressing to, and that starts to add layers in what you can do, what you can't do, what needs work. And by the end of that hour, there should be a little plan going on within the new instructor's head of what work needs to be done, what we need to pull up to bring you up to test standard. And hopefully you should have a nice plan all put into place for your next handful of lessons.
So the first hour is kind of getting familiar with the car and yourself.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, you could be driving a diesel car, you could be them going into a petrol car, which is a little bit different to drive, a different shape car where everything's sort of a little bit off. So you definitely need to take that into account. You're not going to get, most learner drivers can't just get into swap a car and just drive it exactly the same as they did the last one.
And then that second hour is basically answering that question at the end of the 2 hours, which they're going to ask, how many lessons do I need to take the test?
Yeah, we get that one a lot.
Yeah.
So it's all about trusting your instructor really, and going with the program, doing your mock tests and seeing an improvement as we go.
Cool, thank you.